is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to buy BOBO on Coinbase. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so what you need to do is you're going to go ahead and download Coinbase Wallet. Not the regular Coinbase app. You need to download the wallet. So if you do not already have it, go to your app store and download it. Then you're going to open it up, create an account, and then go down to the bottom and select browser. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and navigate to uniswap.org. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead and launch the app. And now you need to swap Ethereum in order to receive BOBO. So if you don't have Ethereum in your account, you're going to have to go back to your assets, go to Ethereum, and you're going to have to purchase some Ethereum, because not only do you have to swap Ethereum because it's on the Ethereum blockchain, but you also need enough Ethereum to cover your gas fees. So once you add your Ethereum, you go back to the browser and you're going to select a token. And once you select a token, type in BOBO, BOBO, and you're going to select it, the one that says BOBO coin, and we're going to select done. All right, so after you do that, select I understand, and then you want to go to UPay and enter the amount of Ethereum you want to swap for BOBO. Once you choose the amount, select swap, and this is going to allow you to confirm the swap. But first, you need to make sure you set your gas fees, the network fee, to the right amount. So select that settings wrench next to the gas fee amount, and then you can choose fast, normal, or slow in regards to how much you want to pay for the gas/network fee. Now, based off of what you choose, will let you know how quickly your payment will process. We'll also let you know how much Ethereum will be taken to cover this gas fee. And so once you do that, it's going to review the swap, and eventually it will go through. Shouldn't take too much time. As long as the gas fees are low, and depending on the time of day, it should not take a long time to process your payment. So once it goes through, you will see this screen. If it is a success, if it is a failure, you will see what you need to do and how to correct. Most of the time, if the payment fails, it's due to network issues, or you do not have enough Ethereum to cover the gas fee. And so, yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you do it. Once the payment processes, you will want to go back to the assets page, refresh by swiping down on the screen, and you should see your BOBO amount in your assets. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.